Okay, in this video we're going to be doing the XM-4 Carbine from tourseekev.com, and we're going to be doing, I'm going to show you guys the barrel swap for the HDR 50, and I had the tuning run in, but I'm using a brass barrel now. And this barrel is good for the larger steel rounds, the 8.4, 8.5 gram balls or whatever. And yeah, it's a perfect fit for those. And I believe it is a 1732 inner diameter. Yeah, okay, so just gonna take off the shell. I already got the screws taken out, so yeah, this barrel here fits perfectly inside. I believe that's aluminum. It's the factory barrel that comes with the XM4 kit, and it's a little bit large for the balls, but it still has an increase by itself. This is just part one. It's too late tonight, so I can't really fire this off in here, so I'll make the second one tomorrow, part two. Yeah, let me just get this shell off here. There, I'll just set it over the side, leave the screws in. In the HDR 50, I believe this one, that one, and that one are actually longer than all the other ones. It's either, yeah, it's those three, or this one, that one, and that one. I'm not sure, but I just leave them in like that and you never get them mixed up. We'll set that over to the side. Now I'll take this little spring out here first. Set that over there. And yeah, okay, so let's just kind of lift this up a little bit. Hold on. Yeah, just pull it up here, the spring will pop off. And then we can pull the barrel out. We don't have to lift or take anything apart. So yeah, this is basically what I did for this. I used just a basic 1/2 inch pipe, copper. And I used the same spring here, and I put a little flare on the end of that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little flare kind of to match the width of the copper. But yeah, that way when the balls enter, it's not going to hit the edge any chance, but the way you do it, if you do it right, it'll be pushed up against it tight, so it's alright. And then the edge of this barrel, you can see where it kind of goes into right around. Let me see, when you get it in. Yeah, so right about somewhere around here it stops. And yeah, you'll know what to do. I don't really have a measuring tape, but you don't really need this whole piece either. You can just like use a little section right there and either glue it or whatever, and then you can put another little piece right in there, but you don't have to use the whole bar. So you can just like cut a little section of copper and another little section and slide one up to here and slide one up to there. You'll know when you're putting it together where to put it. You can just measure from the old barrel, and you just leave that little bit of room of spring for right in there, and then that's pretty much it. And I just lift that up here. That goes in, and boom, there it snaps down. So now you got a nice pull. And oh, don't forget this little spring. I always forget something. But yeah, now we'll just put the shell back on. Make sure it's in there. Hold on a second. Okay. Yeah, we'll just Tighten these back up. Oh, and this barrel I'm using here is an 18-inch barrel. There's the tuning run compared. Yeah, these are the longer screws right here. Yeah, I know it's boring putting these screws back in, but gotta do it. If I ever figure out how to fast forward in videos, I'll do it. This marker's been opened so many times now. Surprised I haven't stripped the screws. I think this is the last one here. Okay, we still got some good pull in the barrel. Cycling nice. Okay. Now here's the carbine. And as you can see, it goes right in. It's almost like it was made for it. So we're gonna put it in the XM-4 kit. Let's find the hole here. There we go. Perfect. Nice perfect fit. And if you guys can see here, I don't know if you guys can see the barrel inside there. It's right at the edge. It's like about 6 millimeters down. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah. Now we'll go ahead and I guess we'll put the stock on first. One screw here. One screw there. I mean, up here, you don't even really need all these, both those. One of those will do just good. So, flip this over. And There we go. Now you can just use it like this if you want. And then put whatever grip on there you like. All your accessories, your rails all the way around. Good thing about the outer barrel is it protects the inner barrel. So that copper is soft, so, sorry, the brass is pretty soft. But now with this, it's going to add some more strength because it's a nice snug fit. And then here we got the magazine. This here holds 3 drums. Here. Let's see. I got one here with some spikes in it from Home Defense 24. Got the little spikes. Little slugs, and they'll fit right in here like this. So you can get 3 of them. 1, 2, and then 3. If you're wondering what that hole is for, I dremeled it out so I can fit this guy on. The Fab Defense Magwell grip. So that way you get a nice Magwell grip too. Nice close quarters grip. I'll put that on after. Now you can either install this right here or you can leave it off. You can also take the stock off and just leave it like this. Yeah, you can take the stock and this off, and it'll be like Troy J's gatekeepers that he makes. But oh yeah, here, and then also you got the mock suppressor that it comes with. I mean, you can put your own real suppressor on if you wanted to, as these things are loud. So this here will just go on nice and easy. Just slide on. It's nice and grip so it won't come off. But yeah. And now you've got the 18-inch barrel. You can take this off and you can install the the HP. Right now we're set up for CO2. So I just take that out. Now you want to go HPA. You get these adapters from MCS, or you can get the cable adapters. Also, Florian sells these too at Home Defense 24, and he sells the ones for the lines as well. So that's homedefense24.com. They got a lot of great stuff in there for home defense and all these Umarex markers. Lots of great ammo too. So yeah, just screw this up in here all the way. And this is a GOG ASA. So basically when you turn this all the way back, take your bottle. This is an 850 pepper ball bottle. You just screw that in there. And I'm not going to do it all the way, but just like that, you screw the bottle in. And when you want to gas up, you just turn this knob, click, just quarter turn, and you'll hear the click come out from the indicator, the charging indicator pin. And yeah, that's pretty much it. When you're done firing, you just shut that off and I guess blow the last of it out, or you can reach up here and you can degas it from the pin still. That's a good thing about this carbine kit, it still allows you to do that. But if not, if they didn't have this up here, you can always like unscrew it from there. I mean, it's a little bit harder with the CO2 and stuff, with the pressure under pressure, but they give you an Allen key for that, and it goes right in here, so you shouldn't have any problems. But yeah, I'll just take this off. Take this off, and yep. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the XM-4 Carbine. And let's see if I can